Have you ever wondered what it would take to become a real-life superhero? Or have you ever just wanted to learn cool tricks that you can do with a staff or a lightsaber? Well, you've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Michelle C. Smith, professional badass, and welcome to my page. As a former world champion baton twirler turned actor, stuntwoman, and educator, I have a lifetime of knowledge and wisdom and experience that I want to share with you. I also have an entire library of super fancy, really cool tricks that I need to teach you. So here we are. So on my channel, you're gonna find tons of staff spinning and lightsaber tutorials, all the way from a beginner to an advanced level, as well as cool behind the scenes footage, reactions, reviews, unboxings, and all of that other cool stuff. So feel free to take a look around, click on some things, watch some videos all the way through if you can. Leave a like and a comment, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. I post a new video every week, and I host a live stream class every Saturday right here on YouTube. So come join the Badass family, say hi, introduce yourself, and have the best time. All of my social media links and the link to my IMDb are in the description box down below, so why don't you go follow me over there as well. And I can't wait to see you on the next video. Okay, bye.